PG Father Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend around at 25,000 feet.
Well, good evening everybody, this is John from Drones and Planes, and today we are at East Midlands Airport on a Thursday evening, which is infamously known as Cargo Night. Been here for about half an hour already, caught a 767 landing and a 777 departing, and just been looking on flight radar, and there's a few other big boys due in and also due to take off, so keep watching. We'll hope to bring you some really good footage of Cargo Night.
Okay, what do you want me to do about it? What do you want me to do about it? I know, well you need to tell me.
That's not what you say, is it? No, sit there.
Go on.
Airplane! Yellow airplane!
So you can see there's a hive of activity over there. All getting loaded up, ready for an onward flight later on. Hopefully we'll get to watch a couple of them depart at least. Good old Ryanair off to Palma. Not sure of the destination of this aircraft. It's not showing up on flight radar, but it's a Boeing 737-400. Which I imagine stands for Super Freighter. This one just snuck in. Anyway, back to this ASL that's taxiing down to the end of runway 27. I think he's a Ryanair pilot at the speed he's going at the minute. Taxiing in front of the control tower. We'll see her take off in a moment. You just see the back end of the UPS there that's just pushed back as well. It's a 767-300. That'll be taking off shortly too. Wow, another quick takeoff, must be light. Next up is going to be the UPS 767-300. It's down at the end of the runway. Again, it'll probably have taken off by the time it gets there, but we will see. It's off to Louisville. Oh yes, look at this. This is what we've come for, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. That's more like it. So this one came in earlier and had its cargo doors open, and now they're closed again. So maybe this one will be going off again shortly. So, as predicted, that DHL is now pushing back, and so we'll watch it go down to the end of runway 27. It's a great looking aircraft, the 767-300, isn't it? This one is off to Cincinnati. And she is off. Awesome, look at that. Heads up. Wow.